Hey guys, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Just wanted to show you one of the mods I have done for this truck, which is the sound treatment. Just to give you a comparison of what the panels sound like without sound deadening, which is here. As you can hear, it's very hollow and resonant versus the whole cab here. It sounds like it's very solid, even the doors. Front door. This whole truck was treated. Actually, these doors sounded just like this rear quarter panel before, very hollow, and it would vibrate every time I closed the door. It doesn't do that anymore. Now it sounds like you're closing a vault. Even the roof was treated. Here, front door. Just very solid. The windows are double laminated. I'll show you here. Right here. Very thick acoustic windows. Even the roof was treated. So when rain hits the roof, it doesn't sound like it's raining. You can't even hear it. So a panel that's not treated, it's very hollow. All these doors sounded like this actually, like a tin can. But now, as you can hear, it's just very solid. It sounded like this before. So yeah, big night and day difference in my opinion. If you're on the verge of deciding if you're going to do it or not, I definitely would recommend you to do it. Probably be one of the top 10 mods I would do to this truck. It's just, when you cruise in the highway, you can't hear anything. It feels like you're in an S-Class or something. And yeah, hope this video helped you out on making the decision if you should soundproof your cab or not. I think you totally should. If this video helped you out, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.